What's up guys, my name is Joel Sam. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do me a favor, consider subscribing to this channel because over here I post a lot of financial tips that will help you become financially free. The goal of this channel is personal finance, financial freedom and self-improvement. We want to help as many young people as possible, especially young people in Africa and Ghana, to become financially free so that they can meet all their targets, goals and aspirations in life. In today's video, I want to talk about setting up a PayPal account in Ghana, and the reason is quite simple. There is a growing number of Ghanaians who are engaged in active online business. However, because Ghana is not listed as a PayPal country, facilitating online transactions is quite difficult for business. And so I have discovered a very easy way out of the problem, and I want to share it in a very quick tutorial. I need you to do me a favor before I begin. Please like the video, subscribe to this channel for more educative content like this, and share it as a valuable resource to all those who may need it. You don't have to pay anyone to set up a PayPal account for you. It's something you can do all by yourself. So without speaking much, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so we have our desktop, our screen. Let's jump right into it. I don't want to spend a long time so that I keep this video as short as possible. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your address bar and enter paypal.com/ls. Now the LS stands for Lesotho, and this is what is happening. As you may be aware, Ghana is not a PayPal country, which means that you cannot register a PayPal account from Ghana. You cannot, technically use PayPal from Ghana. You cannot use it from US either because you may not have the details which are necessary to set up a PayPal account in the US. But there are some openings. There are some African countries which allow you to open a PayPal account. And someone may be worried about the legality of this, but it is not illegal. You should see it this way. You are taking advantage of free trade, which exists according to bilateral relations between certain African countries. Okay, so I'm a Ghanaian and I'm going to do business in Lesotho. My business is in Lesotho, but I am still a Ghanaian. And because some of these international bodies and organizations view African countries as one economic unit, you are taking advantage of that to set up your PayPal account from Lesotho. I'm also using Lesotho because Lesotho is a country that I have tried using several times and it's always been successful. So you get to paypal.com/ls. Don't forget the /ls. It is very important. And then you click sign up for free. Sign up for free. We're waiting for our page to load. You'll find two options, the personal account and the business account. You don't want to use a personal account if you intend to receive money. Personal accounts are for making payments and shopping. But if you are going to be paid by other people, if you are doing online business such that you need a PayPal account to receive payment, then you need to select the business account. So once you get to this stage, you need to enter your email address, and for the purposes of this demonstration, I created an email address, and the email address is kwesiosam@gmail.com. So I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to paste it here. Alright, and select next. So the next stage is the form, and it's quite easy. You need to enter a password that would log you into your PayPal account. So I'm going to use Joel Sam 123. It's just a demo, so if you decide to steal the password, it's your cup of tea. Joel Sam 123, and then I'm going to use my names. So my first name Kwesi and my last name Osam. and then you create a business name. So Kwesi Osam Incorporated. And then the next stage is your business phone. Now you realize that there's a flag here. This is the flag of Lesotho, but you have the opportunity as a citizen of another country. Maybe you are not staying in Lesotho, maybe you are staying in Ghana. Okay, so you are not always in Lesotho. You can change this to Ghana, your home country, and then enter your phone number. So the phone number I'm going to use is 02027391107. Okay, and then your business address line. What's the issue here? Okay, so make sure that you don't begin your number with 0. So the business address line I'm going to use, you can use your business address in Ghana, okay, your location. So I'm going to use, let me say, house number 10, Ayeva Street, Spintex Road, city is obviously Accra, and then the postal code 00233. What currency would be your primary currency? Okay, it's important to select this, and you have to know that once you select this, it's hard changing it. You would have to create another PayPal account in a different currency if you would want to change it. So most of our online businesses, have us transacting in the US dollar, so you just leave it as it is. You click agree and continue, and then you proceed to the next stage. Now the next stage is to tell PayPal what your business is about. So what type of business are you doing? Is it an individual business, a sole proprietorship, a partnership, civil company, public company? It's individual. Okay, you are probably creating this account for your personal use, so it's individual. And if it's necessary to enter certain keywords that further describe your product, you can. So like professional services, very apt. And then if you have a website to your business, you can put it there. If you don't, then you move on to the next stage. Okay, so we have reached the next stage, and you have to provide information about yourself. So in this case, I'm providing information about Kwesi Osam, and here you have the opportunity to state who you really are. So I am from Ghana, not from Lesotho. Okay, and then you need to enter an identity document. Okay, so you can use your passport, your ID, your driver's license, whichever identity document you have. So let me just, for the purpose of this demonstration, use national ID. And what is your national ID number? Let me create something for the purposes of this demonstration. I hope it works. And date of birth, and then you submit. So you are basically done setting up your PayPal account. It is that quick. You move on to the next stage, which is setting up payments. This is not a difficult thing to do. Usually it's about linking bank cards. When you want to withdraw money from PayPal, the way to do it is to link a bank account or a Visa card, a Visa debit card or credit card, which is also linked to your bank account. The problem is that in Ghana, because PayPal is not because Ghana is not part of the countries that allow PayPal to function, you cannot link PayPal to a Ghanaian bank account. So what I have done is to link my Visa card, and it has always worked. I bank with Stanbic Ghana and I have a Stanbic Visa debit card. So I just linked that to my account, and for a long time I've been able to withdraw money quite smoothly. I'm not sure which other banks also have that opportunity available for their customers, but I think Bank does, I think Ecobank Ghana does, and a few others. You may have to find out, but from my personal point of view, you can use a Stanbic Ghana Visa debit card and it works perfectly. Once you are done setting up, you go to summary, you go to the home page, and everything is pretty much done. You just have to confirm your email address. That isn't difficult, you can easily do it. You can also link and confirm your debit or credit card, like I've already spoken about. So that is it, guys. A very quick, simple tutorial on how to create a PayPal account for yourself. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, share the video to those it may be helpful to, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.
Okay, I hope you found the video educative as I promised. If you did, please leave me a like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this resource so that a lot of people who need it can have access to it. Like I said in the beginning, you don't need to pay anybody to set you up. For PayPal, you can do that all by yourself. Please leave your comments, questions, suggestions down below. I promise I'll take the time to respond to each and every one of you. I'll see you again in my next video next week. Peace.
This is the